Hi friends, welcome to the SilverStar Forest. My name is Kristen and I am the Witch of SilverStar Forest. I'm so glad that you're here. Please know that this is a very safe place. We like to have a good time. Nothing too serious, nothing too far from all light and shiny. We have Kay's Magic Witches box, the $25 box, which I think is the medium box, maybe? Pretty sure that I canceled this a while ago. If I didn't, then I paused it because I did have a break and I wasn't being charged. But I emailed them and said, as soon as I was charged for this box, and said, would you please cancel this? And I didn't hear anything, and I didn't hear anything. A month later, they shipped this. And then I got charged again. So I'm a little disappointed in that. For the $25 that I paid for this box, as much as I love supporting small businesses, I just feel it really hasn't been, and I can't get it open. It just hasn't been that inspiring for me. And as a beginner witch, I kind of need a little extra excitement, I guess. And there are lots of other boxes at that price point. So we'll see what we got this time. This is our little box here. Save the Bees is the theme, which I love. We have a Be Grateful. Oh, cool. Help Sister Bees combat human trafficking. Wear this bracelet to help others be free. A portion of the proceeds of this card goes to a non-profit that combats human trafficking. Okay, so to me that's just worth it all right there. That's very cool. Okay, so let's get in here. There's our little bracelet. Really cute. A21 is the name of the nonprofit. A21.org. Sweet. And then we have Kay's Magic Apothecary Herbal Tea Blend Wild Citrus Rose Tea. Yeah, it looks like it's got nice chunky stuff in it. Oh yeah, it smells delicious. Very citrusy. Oh, this is cool too. Okay, now I'm really glad I got it. This is Sister Bee's Bee Food Wildflower Seed Blend with planting instructions. SisterBees.com. Doesn't say how many seeds in there, but it feels like quite a bit. So I'm excited to add those to my garden. Then we have a tea light candle. Can't identify the scent. It's just, it's a little sloppy. I used to make candles and the wax or the wick isn't centered, so it's gonna burn crooked. And then we have, can't read it. Oh, Beeswax Balm, Calendula, and Vitamin E. That's nice. And crystal here. Looks familiar, but I'm not sure. So we'll read about that. So that's it. Okay, let's see. Orchid calcite. Okay, so I do have one of these. Powerful. Oh, it's an $8 value. Pretty sure I have one twice as big that I didn't spend that much on. Powerful blend of black tourmaline and orange calcite. They carry 3 different sizes. They do have a shop that you can go to also on Etsy. The Beeswax votive candle, $4. Hand poured beeswax candles. It's lightly scented with honey, cherries, and vanilla. The seeds, $1.75. Plant these little seeds and grow some bee-friendly flowers. The herbal tea is $3.99. Be Grateful bracelet and card is $7. And the Beeswax Balm with Calendula is $16. Coconut oil and beeswax infused with calendula and vitamin E. So by their calculations, it's 8, 12, 13, 75, 17, 74, 24, 74, $40, which I think is a little high. Small shops, it does take a lot more effort from the individual to put everything together when you're not a big company. So obviously she needs to make money. They need to make money. It just seems like it's priced a little high for the individual items. But I love the theme of the Saving the Bees this month. So what is your favorite part of this month's box? Do you love the bees? Are you saving the bees? Let me know down below. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.